Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Tracfone SIM card. First things first, what you need to do is you need to power off your phone and insert the Tracfone SIM card into the SIM slot and then just turn your phone back on. Then you need to go to Tracfone's activation page. So open up a web browser and go to tracfone.com and then go ahead and click on activate at the top menu. Then you need to select whether you are activating a new phone, buying or, bringing your own phone or transferring an existing number. You want to enter the required details, of course, including your phone's IMEI or SIM card number. So then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and choose a Tracfone plan that actually fits your needs. And if you already have a plan, you can skip this step. And then you need to go ahead and complete the activation. So follow the on-screen instructions, right, to finish the activation. And then you want to wait for the confirmation. This may take a few minutes. And once activated, you want to go ahead and restart your phone to complete the setup. Then you just need to make a test call or send a text to confirm activation. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.